It's bulb planting time, and one of our absolute favourites are tulips. And we've got a huge range of tulips, 5 different types here, for example. So we've got this wonderful one here, Red Riding Hood, with those deep red flowers. Ice cream, that's really unusual, that one. Then we have Rembrandt, a mix of incredible colours, striped flowers, gorgeous patterns on those. Purple Sensation, purples, mauves and whites. Flaming Flag as well. Great mix of tulips there. Easy to grow, and tulips like a well-drained, sunny position. You can grow them in beds and borders. You can grow them in pots and containers. But we normally suggest waiting until November to plant your tulips because of a fungal disease called tulip fire. If you plant them late on, much less likely to succumb to this problem. And I'm going to show you now how to plant these in this wonderful window box. And basically, and don't get sort of too worried or hung up about this, you want about 3 times as much soil or compost above your bulb as the height of the bulb itself, but it's not absolutely critical. Now, if you're planting in a container, for example, you can plant those bulbs a little bit closer than in the ground. So we're just going to place the tulips in here, and I've got a lovely mix in here as well, mix of colours, and these will start to grow away very quickly. They'll start to form a root system, and if you wanted to, when you finish planting these, you could plant some pansies on top, you could plant some forget-me-nots or even some wallflowers, so that when they come through, you've got that lovely mix of spring flowering bedding and the tulips as well. Those tulips are nicely in place. I'm now going to put a nice layer of compost over the top, burying them by about 2 to 3 inches, because the height of the bulbs was about that height as well. And then once these are fully covered, give them a really good drink. Stand them somewhere bright and sunny. The warmest spot is best, and these will flower for you next spring. And if you want to, you can leave them in here, and at that point you can just move the trough out the way somewhere, allowing that foliage to die down completely before removing it. Or you could take these out of here and transplant them into the garden. The choice is yours. But we've got a huge range of bulbs, all available, and a massive range of tulips available here for you at YouGarden.